Let me explain to you how manifestation works in the simplest way possible. You have manifested everything in your life up until this moment or you watching this video. So what makes you think you need some technique or method outside of yourself to manifest what you want? Manifestation at its core is no longer being emotionally dependent upon seeing your reality change. Shout out Nero. So if your emotions are disengaged, why would you feel the need to chase, grind, and affirm 24/7? That don't make no type of sense. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you exactly why you get your manifestations when you stop giving a fuck. If you're having trouble getting consistent results, I do one-on-one coachings and step-by-step walkthroughs. So if you wanna go tap into that, link in description. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is stop feeding the "it's not here" story. When you keep thinking about how it's gonna happen or you keep checking the 3D to see if it's working, then you're not being the identity who will have what you want, right? Since this entire reality is a mirror to your self-image and your perception, you can only possess what you have inside, as within, as without. As above, so below. My nigga, yin and yang, bro. This third dimension is built off a dualistic concept. So you as the 4D awareness have to abide by these concepts and laws. So if you want to manifest something in this reality, you have to be the change first. You have to give it to yourself inside, whether it be through mental conversations, affirmations, visualizations, scripting, whatever the fuck, it don't matter. These techniques are just vehicles. But what you should be doing as the awareness and as the identity is knowing that is already here in the now moment, because the present moment is the only thing that exists in this motherfucker. So if you say, oh yeah, it's gonna happen in the future, or I'm grinding, I'm in grind mode, or I'm chasing after this thing, you're only going to get reflected that perception and awareness, bro. Whatever you're consistently aware of about this particular topic or item, that is the perception and reality you will create and get reflected to you, bro. Really understand that shit. So it is very important that you stop feeding the "it's not here" story and you start feeding the "it's here" story, my nigga. Why would you think and speak against yourself? You're the only person in this bitch. So see yourself in your life in the way that you are experiencing your desired reality 24/7 in the now moment. When you detach from your physical actions and you allow the universe or reality to work through you, then you naturally think like the version of yourself who already has it, bro. When you stop trying to control your outside circumstances, in which you can't, because our actions are predetermined on a motherfucking script, bro. There's no such thing as motherfucking free will. All of this shit was determined by the identity and awareness you embody on a daily fucking basis, my nigga. So don't think your actions can influence or hack reality. Nigga, your identity and perception is the one that's hacking the fucking reality. Not your physical actions with this limited ass meat suit and avatar. Your awareness, my nigga, your thoughts, your perceptions, your beliefs. This is what truly controls reality. So again, when you detach, you naturally move like the version of yourself who already has that shit. So this is gonna lead us into our second talking point, which is stop pushing it away. Going back to detachment. When you're attached to something, that is being registered as energetic space, bro, to your subconscious. Like think about if you were in a relationship or you were talking to this girl, right? And you always breathing down her neck, you always triple, quadruple texting her and shit. She is not gonna fuck with you, bro. She is not gonna be on your dick. She is going to go find another long john to hop on, my nigga, and not yours. This is why you have to practice the law of detachment with women and literally everything else in this motherfucking reality, because everything is a fucking paradox. It's not real, bro. It's a simulation. As within, so without. If I already had this particular item in my life, I wouldn't really give a fuck because I already had it. It's right there, my nigga. Like my phone, for example. I already know I got this motherfucker. It's right here. I don't need to check my reality 24/7. My scat pack, I know what's outside. I don't need to look at my keys 24/7. My bank account, I know I got hella money. I don't need to check that motherfucker 24/7. Bro, it's there. I know it's there. I know, my nigga, is there. And it's the same way with your desires. You don't need to check 24/7. You don't need to grind 24/7. You just know it's done and completed, and reality is going to show you. Because if you don't fucking move, reality has to move, my nigga. Become the unstoppable force in the immovable object, my nigga. Cause something's gonna have to fucking move. And it's not gonna be you. Bro, really understand that shit. Now this is gonna lead us into talking point number 3. You just let it happen. Whatever happens, fucking happens, bro. It don't matter, because everything is working in your favor for your highest good until you say otherwise, because you make the rules in this bitch. The rules you set for this reality is your beliefs and assumptions for this motherfucker. If I believe that it is hard to make money, then that is the rules I am playing in this fucking reality, my nigga. If I believe all women are bad, that is the rules in reality I'm selecting based off of my perception, bro. I'm not doing nothing fucking different. I'm just perceiving my life in a different way. I get questions from niggas asking, can I really change my reality by just thinking thoughts? Nigga, yes. You've been doing this shit ever since you were born, bro. You were doing this shit before you even became aware of what manifestation is, my nigga. So what's different now? Literally nothing. You're just more conscious of this shit. Your reality is a lagging indicator of what you think on a daily basis, gang. Like if you need to, go on Pinterest and saturate your mind with the reality you want 24/7, my nigga. This will help you manifest and get in the identity and awareness of somebody who has what you want by just looking at the shit that identity would look at on a daily basis. So understand this one thing, bro. Everything you do that is in alignment to your desired reality is the right move until you say otherwise. Again, you play by your own fucking rules. You don't need to change. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to force anything. You are all you need to get where you need to go, bro. Understand that it is done and completed because your desires are godlike. The only reason you desire shit is because you see yourself in that thing. You see yourself experiencing a reality with that thing, right? So your consciousness is formless. It's just not going out into motherfucking thin air, gang. When you visualize yourself doing some shit, you are actively living that reality. You are actively aware of that fucking reality, right? So all of your desires are here in the now moment. Your consciousness is just viewing, quote unquote, another timeline, bro. But it's all happening all at once. Time to this third dimensional avatar is an illusion, bro. Everything is happening all at motherfucking once. It's no linear time, my nigga. It's here, in and out. That's the only thing we motherfucking got. Your awareness is the only thing in this motherfucker. So anytime you visualize some shit, understand it is happening now. When you detach from the need for it to happen, you let reality do what it need to fucking do and you get the fuck out the way. So this is gonna lead us into talking point number 4. You're the same no matter what. Now shout out the Bhagavad Gita. The wise are the same in pleasure and in pain. Why did these niggas thousands of fucking years ago say this shit? Why? It's a reason we are still aware of this fucking quote in the now moment, bro. It's not my fucking coincidence. When you don't let outside circumstances dictate and determine who you are inside, you start dictating what reality does, bro. Reality cannot fuck with you no more. And that is the whole point of this entire manifestation shit, bro. When you don't let outside circumstances tell you what you should think and feel from within, you gain control over all this shit. What you say goes because you are creating this shit 24/7. This entire reality is being generated from you as the 4D awareness. You are just using this 3D avatar to experience your beliefs, assumptions, and perceptions, bro, and to feel shit. When you in a motherfucking lucid dream, do you really care about what the fuck is happening? Or are you just willy-nilly doing random shit because you in a lucid dream? And you like, oh, it's a dream anyways. It don't matter what the fuck I do. It's gonna happen, right? It's the same shit. This third dimension is the same exact shit, bro. This is literally another lucid dream. So if something don't go your way, you don't crash out. You don't start doing nothing different. You don't start affirming more. You don't start visualizing more. You are the exact same, my nigga. Stop doing all this extra bullshit, bro. You don't have to. So when you realize all of this manifestation shit is literally easy as fuck, when you decide and declare that this shit is easy as fuck, it will be easy as fuck, bro. You don't have to do no extra technique. You don't have to do no extra affirmations. Your affirmations aren't wrong. It's nothing wrong with you, bro. It's nothing wrong with your reality. Start being grateful for the circumstances you are experiencing, my nigga. And this will give you the path and the gateway to transcend them motherfuckers. Because when you open your heart chakra to receive a different path and different experiences, you give yourself more outcomes and opportunities, bro. Really understand that shit, gang. It's as within, so without. If I have love for myself in my reality, no matter what the fuck I'm currently experiencing, then my reality will reflect that same self-love I give to myself because I am reality. Everything around me is just reflective of who I am internally. Opportunities will spawn out of fucking thin air, my nigga. Money will spawn out of thin fucking air, my nigga. You think I'm bullshitting? I'm not fucking bullshitting, bro. I wouldn't be on this motherfucker talking to this camera, telling y'all niggas this shit, bro. This is real life shit, my nigga.